Hey everybody, it's Jessica Storts with Storts Wellness, and I'm going to talk to you today about my cleaning story. So when my first child was born, I have to admit, I went and I registered for Draft, the gross pink liquid in the bottle. I know, I didn't know any better. I had no clue and nobody told me. And I was cleaning with like Lysol, and I had like 3 different products for my stainless steel. I actually started to count them up once, and I came up with 20 different products that I was using to clean my house, and they all had chemicals in it, and it was just insanity. So, long story short, a friend approaches me about a different company, and I'm so excited. I'm like, my mom would love this. My mom is so into this. And so I call her and I say, Mom, you're gonna love this company. And she's like, Jessica, Shaklee has those things. And when I started to look at Shaklee's price points, they were a lot lower than this other company. And I thought, you know what? I can just try this, and if it doesn't work, who cares? I'm not out that much money. But if I try this other thing and I don't love it, I'm out a lot of money. But what I didn't know at the time is Shaklee had that 100% money back guarantee. It doesn't matter if the bottle's completely full, a little bit full, completely empty, they'll refund it, and it doesn't matter the time period. But luckily, I loved these cleaning products. I had started using Basic G, which is the germ killer, and now it works in only 5 minutes to spray on a surface. It does have a chemical in it, but I'll still tell you, I would feel leathery hands after I use Lysol in my shower, and I don't feel those leathery hands when I use the Basic G. I also use Basic H all over the house, on the woodwork, on the floors, to clean the siding, to clean the mirrors. It gets my stainless steel. I used to have 3 products for my stainless steel. This one product, spray, wipe with the window cloth, I'm done. I used to spend like a half an hour buffing out to make it look good. And as you know, as a mom, the kids come back and they touch it and it looks the same as it did 20 minutes ago. So the point was, these cleaning products made my life easier, and they saved me a ton of money. So that's my story. And I absolutely love these cleaning products, and the proof is in the pudding. I can show you countless pictures of how these cleaning products work and how they have made such a difference in our life. Also in the laundry department as well. No more Draft. It's good for my skin. I even thought all free and clear was good, and it turns out that it is not. So awesome, amazing plant-based products, and yeah, I just absolutely love them. You guys have an awesome day.